Yes, because we can't let the our two dogs out in the lawn because we don't much of water.
That's why we brought them out to the front. Yeah.
I've only got little legs.
They can't squat. They can't squat.
It's not too